Look at what they've done to these headlights. This almost looks like a crystal vase inside. Down here, shows you it's a W12 6-litre engine. Let's take a look at this feature. This is cool. When you park next to another car, it won't let you hit into another car door, because when you open this car door, it stops at any point you want it to and stabilizes. Instead of most doors stopping halfway out and then having another stop all the way out. Check out this interior. It's so luxe. All this stitching here on the side of the door. These indicator levers, look at the finishing. When you go to navigation on the screen, you've got this display. If you press this button, view, this disappears, so you have a bigger display. Now check out what happens when you turn it on. Here's the start stop button. This screen appears, but if you press this button here, it will change again to these analog displays. So this screen actually has 3 sides, which is pretty cool. This button controls all the windows at once, so if you press that and wind them all down, because there's no bar here, you've got this whole opening. Check this out. How nice is that? See, if we close this, you've got this beautiful arch here with nothing in the middle. Okay, this is how you put her in sport with this dial here. Turn that around, and let's see what she sounds like. Love that little gurgle. One last thing, look at this interior lighting. You can change both the ambient color and the accent color.